I set up a springtail because sometimes they actually jump. They actually jump quite high. So those little containers like those.
These are those
little white things, yeah.
That were in the bottom of your.
My the egg hatching compartment for the stick insects, yeah. So just get some charcoal. Sometimes you get the charcoal, activated charcoal, and it's actually nice, like got a few big chunks in it. This one, oh, here we go. There. All right, so that's pretty much what I do there. And I also grab the non-chlorine water. So there's no chlorine in this water. It's all filtered. I usually wash it out a bit with the unchlorinated water. Otherwise you'll absorb chlorine into the charcoal. And then just like, see, it'll be like black. Just tip the black shit out. Another hit. Tip that out. It's looking much better. Okay, so that's pretty much what I do there.
It's almost drinkable now.
Almost, mate. You can try it after.
Yeah, no.
Like that. Yeah,
Yep.
not the greatest.
It's not the greatest.
No, wouldn't advise doing that.
It's still shit water from Paynham.
There we go.
Back in the jungle.
Back in the jungle, mate.
Back in the jungle, baby.
Dun, 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 dun. That's right.
Culture we made earlier.
Yeah, we don't need this one.
Yep. Throw that out.
There you go. Don't need that yet.
Yeah.
Not for this one.
What are we after? Just the charcoal.
Yeah.
Cheap and nasty like Dennis.
No, I'm going to use this one. I'm just taking the stuff out. I'm going to use this in the terrarium. I'm going to use this stuff in the terrarium.
Dad's going to smoke that later.
So you can use, you know, some people use zucchini, or but I just use like baker's yeast. It's just like little granules, and they want to come out like that, pretty much. And I just toss them in. A little bit of a, pretty much like that, a little bit of a scattering. And then I just grab one of my other cultures. It's just over here. When you open it up, you should be able to see them. See, they're all jumping around. And I just grab one with a lot of them on it, like that. And I just drop it in on that. And they'll start the next culture. Or you can just like move this over and they float. These guys actually float. And so you'll get them on the top of the water and just pour some of the water in. Just add more water, pretty much.
And then they start breeding away.
And then they start going on again, yep.
Yeah, and what do you just keep topping up the water?
Just top them up the water. Never make it go dry. That's a sure way to kill your whole cultures. So that's that there. So, and there's no need to actually make any holes in these lids. Okay, so keep them. These are totally sealed. Okay, and every day you just open them up and check them out, how they're going, and that's all you need to do with these. These are pretty hardy. And then you should be right. You can add these into your terrarium.
You just keep adding that yeast stuff every now and then.
Yep, every now and again. Adam, you can see them already just going all over that top of that charcoal in there. And then in a couple of weeks, they'll just be everywhere. And then you can add them into your terrariums or your actual egg hatching facilities.
What do they do?
They eat molds.
Oh,
So I'm giving them yeast or, you know, zucchini. Some people use zucchini and they eat molds. So they're really good when you're actually trying to hatch the eggs of your insects, and they'll just take care of that. Otherwise you have to do the technique with the dish to keep them safe from mold.